Welcome to Zama cartoon. Hello kids, let's learn about colors.
Red fish swim, shiny and bright, like an apple and a rose in light. Blue fish swims across the sea, like the sky and waves so free. Yellow fish sparkles, happy and fun, like bananas and the golden sun. Swim, swim, fishes play, bringing colors every day. Red, blue, yellow, we all say, colors make the world so gay. Green fish jumps with grassy cheer, like fresh leaves and trees so near. Orange fish glows with tasty delight, like oranges and sunsets bright. Purple fish dances royal and sweet, like grapes and flowers we meet. Swim, swim, fishes play, bringing colors every day. Green, orange, purple too, colors shine for me and you. Pink fish twirls, soft as a rose, like cotton candy everywhere it goes. Brown fish dives deep in the ground, like chocolate and soil all around. Black fish hides in the night so tight, like the dark sky without the light. Swim, swim, fishes play, bringing colors every day. Pink, brown, black in line, colors make the world so fine. White fish shines pure and bright, like snow and milk so white. Gray fish swims with a cloudy tone, like pebbles and rocks of stone. Golden fish glitters in the stream, like treasure shining in a dream. Swim, swim, fishes play, bringing colors every day. White, gray, golden glow, colors everywhere we go. Silverfish sparkles fast as light, like the moon and stars at night. Rainbow fish swims with all the hues, red, blue, yellow, pink, and fused. Swim, swim, fishes play, bringing colors every day. Fishes, colors bright and true, a rainbow world for me and you.
Subscribe our channel Zama Cartoons.